Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a video I've never done before. I'm going to be doing a hair video. I am wearing a shirt, I promise. I just washed my hair because I recently took my braids out the week before for graduation or whatever. I hadn't washed my hair since then just because I have a thing about washing my hair immediately after I take out my braids because I feel like, you know, your hair is under a stressful thing taking out your braids. So I like to give my scalp some time to calm down before I take out my hair, before I wash my hair rather. So it's been about a week, so I washed my hair today and I just wanted to show you guys how I like deep condition my hair just to like prepare it for being underneath my wigs and stuff, because just because you're wearing wigs doesn't mean that you shouldn't be taking care of your natural hair. And I am natural. I've been transitioning for about like 2 years now, and I can honestly say that I am fully transitioned. So my hair is natural right now. So instead of just blabbing on, let's just get right into this video. But of course, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more, and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed anything that you're about to see. So let's just jump right to it. So like I was saying, I did just wash my hair. That's why it's in this like towel wrap thing. I washed my hair with this Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. This shit here, absolutely love this shampoo. This is why I have the big bottle, the one you get extra 50%. This is like the third time I've purchased this shampoo. I absolutely love it for my hair. It does wonders for my hair. And then after that, I did condition my hair using the same conditioner. I do have another bottle of this that's being used. I just found this one, so I'm showing you this one, but I also got the big one, girl. So now that my hair has been like washed and conditioned, I only conditioned it a little bit. It was just like a put it in and like rinse it right out, because I am going to deep condition my hair. This is the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask for dry damaged hair. I know that we tried to cancel Shea Moisture, but I can't cancel Shea Moisture. Their products still work for my hair. So yeah, I have really dry hair, so I always buy all of their products that are like super intensive and for super dry hair, which is what this mask is. And after I put this mask in my hair, I'm also gonna add some castor oil on top to like seal it and put it under a shower cap, let it stay there, sit for about like an hour, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then, you know, we'll do everything else. So this is what my crazy hair is looking like right now. I actually don't know what type of hair I have, like in terms of number, so I just call it really dry hair. But as you can tell, my hair still looks very hydrated, and that's what I really love about that Manuka Honey line from Shea Moisture. So what I do to deep condition my hair, I have this really huge comb here, and I have my deep conditioner in front of me. Sometimes I like to mix this conditioner with the Shea Moisture, I don't know what it's called, but it's the one that comes in the blue packaging. Absolutely love that as well, because it's like one of those conditioners that opens up your hair so it can take in more moisture. So I actually really like it. I did run out, I forgot to go get some, but it's okay. We have this, and I think it'll do the job on its own. So to do this, I'm just gonna like wow, I'm going to part my hair using my fingers. Nothing perfect, you know, just like this. And then I'm gonna make it like do 4, just like a rough outline. It doesn't have to like be perfect. It's probably not gonna stay like this, you know. So just like this and whatnot, we're gonna have 4 of these things. Oh dear. Okay, so now that we've kind of partitioned your hair, I'm honestly just gonna go right into this and put it on my scalp first, and then work it all the way out to the tips. And this conditioner is also very thick. As you can see, it's not gloopy or anything, so you don't need a lot. And that's another thing that I like about this. You don't need a lot. So like this is gonna be enough for like each quarter of hair, as you will see. And then I just start to partition it to like work in the conditioner. Might take a little bit more just to add in between each section, but you will know how much your hair needs and doesn't need. After I take out my braids like this though, I do like to OD on conditioner or deep conditioner, so I may use more than I usually do. Okay, so now that I've like thoroughly embedded my hair in the conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and take my castor oil. You can take any castor oil that you like. This just happens to be Jamaican castor oil. Usually I use Haitian castor oil, but I ran out and I don't have anybody coming from Haiti anytime soon to bring me some. I know I can buy it in the US. I just like getting mine from Haiti. So I'm just going to use this one that I got at my like local beauty supply store. I'm going to pour some on my hand. Not a lot, just like this much. I'm going to run that through this condition part, and then I'm going to like just twist it in two. And I focus this a lot on my tips just because my tips are usually the most damaged, and I definitely need to go in to see my hair lady for a haircut before I leave Miami very soon. So yeah, just like this, and then I'm just going to like take my hair and like just do a like terrible twist that probably won't stay, like this. Okay, so this is what our hair is looking like with that deep conditioner and oil in it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this hair cap on to keep this all nice and like juicy in there and keep the moisture basically in my hair. So I'm just gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'm gonna rinse my hair and come back to show you guys all the products I'm gonna use to like condition my hair and make sure that it's all, you know, nice and juicy underneath my wig. So I've just rinsed out all that deep conditioner and stuff out of my hair, and this is what it is looking like. It's still slightly damp. So now I'm just gonna, you know, get started on braiding this down and moisturizing the heck out of it so it can stay nice and healthy underneath all my wigs that I wear. I'm using this leave-in conditioner by OGX to first put in my hair. This is called the Hydrate and Repair plus Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter. You could leave this in or rinse it out, but I like to leave it in. Go ahead and just grab like a huge like chunk like this and just lather this into my hair. I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk. I really like this product a lot because it's a little bit thick and I think does a really good job of hydrating my hair. So I'm going to add it just same way all over again, and now we have this whole side free to work with. Now I wish I knew how to do cornrows, but I don't. So this is going to be like my really terrible version of braiding my hair down, but this works for me, you know what I mean? Just like a small section in the front of my hair like this. I'm going to now take this Carol's Daughter Marguerite Magic Restorative Cream. This is again a product for really dry, brittle hair. I always choose the products that say for really dry hair, just because that's what I have. And I'm going to put just a little scoop like this into this parted section here. Taking this big comb, I'm going to comb the hair out. So once I've combed my hair out with the big comb, I'm going to go in with a smaller tooth comb to comb it out again. So there you go, my hair is nicely combed out. I'm going to go ahead and just part it in two like this. And I'm going to braid this one on top first. I'm going to use this Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Steel Styling Gel. This is the one, this is from the blue line that I was talking about that has the other deep conditioner that I really like. I like this a lot to seal in my braids when I do them. So I just use like a little bit of the product. And then I'm just going to braid the hair. So this is what the braid should look like, very nice and small and whatnot, just because, you know, you don't want to be like a huge chunky braid because you're gonna have your wigs and stuff and you want it to be flat. I can't do cornrows, so this is like my method. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one, but I'm gonna braid this braid into it to just have it be flat down like this. And again, I'm gonna use this product before I braid that section. So this is what the braid looks like once you're done with it. Like I said, this is like a really terrible way of braiding hair, but I can't braid my hair in cornrows, so this is like the best method that I figured out to have like small flat braids so my wigs aren't, you know, like lumpy and dumpy. I'm going to continue to do this all around my head using the exact products in the exact way that you saw me use them. Okay guys, so I'm finally done braiding my hair down to the best of my abilities. No, this is not perfect, but guess what? This is what works for me. This is what I have been using to transition my hair throughout the past like 2 years that I've just like only been wearing wigs. The next thing I'm going to do is use some castor oil again to just run over the braids. Nothing too serious. I'm just going to do this, like rub some castor oil between my hands and just like run it on top of the braids like this. Make sure I get the tips, so I'm going to get a little bit more just for the tips. Next, for my scalp, I'm going to be using this Main Choice Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. I'm almost done with this bottle, sadly. This is kind of pricey, but I do really like this oil a lot. I do think it has helped my hair grow a lot stronger. So I'm just going to like put that in my scalp like this. So I massage that into my scalp as such, especially around the edges. And then our last step is gonna be like taking care of our edges. I'm going to use this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen, Grow, and Restore Edge Treatment. I really have been liking this since I've been using it on my edges, and my edges have definitely like taken to life. It's kind of like a jelly product, but I love for this to be like the last step to my hair care routine. Just scoop some, put it on my edges, just like this. And these last 3 steps with the oil and this edge thing, I will do this to my hair about every 2-3 days, unless I'm feeling lazy, and then I'll just do it like once a week, just until I wash my hair again, until the next time that I repeat this process. I definitely like to do this more than once, you know, just to keep it up, because your hair does lose moisture throughout the week or whatever. So yeah, this is it, and I'm gonna wrap my hair up to go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna just use this here because I can't find my satin one. So annoying. I think I'm gonna have to go buy another one, like a satin scarf, tomorrow. So I'm just gonna use this random thing here to just tie my hair like this. And voila, everything is done. It's all stuck in here nice and cooking, if you know what I mean. So yeah, those are all of the steps that I do to take care of my hair after taking out my braids and treating my hair underneath my wigs and whatnot, just to make sure that it stays nice, healthy, moisturized, and most importantly, hydrated. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you think there are any products that I should be using, or you have any suggestions, or just whatever you do to take care of your natural hair. I would love to find out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.